fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our first paycheck in March and going over our second paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. Disclaimer, I would like to apologize in advance for the lighting and the shadows you may see. It's storming and raining real bad here, and it's really cloudy, so I have to use what I have in order to get my lighting. Also, if you hear thunder and lightning in the background, I do apologize. It's going to be doing that all day long. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So for our budget from March the 7th through the 13th, in the expense category, we budgeted $196.52 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $29.75 for Terminex, $16.15 for Audible, $14.16 for Google Title, $400 for extra payment, and $400 for rollover. That came up to a total of $1,127.98. In our actual category, our insurance was $190.20, which was a difference of $6.32. $71.40 for Google Fiber, $29.75 for Terminex, $16.15 for Audible, $14.16 for Google Title, $400 for extra payment, and $400 for rollover. That came up to a total of $1,121.66, which was a difference of $6.32. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for Navy Federal, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,695. In our actual category, we spent $585 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $45, $675 in our sinking funds, $100 in our challenges, $150 in our backup funds, $100 in Navy Federal, and $40 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,650, which was a total savings of $45. And I apologize if you hear it raining. It just started again. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,852.36 minus the expenses of $1,127.98 minus our cash envelopes of $630 minus the sinking funds of $675 minus the savings challenge of $100 minus the backup fund of $150 minus Navy Federal of $100 and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $29.38. In our actual category, our income was $2,852.36 minus the expenses of $1,121.66, which was a difference of $6.32, minus the cash envelopes of $585, which was a difference of $45, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the extra backup money of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $80.70, which was a total savings of $51.32. In our budget from March the 14th to March the 20th, in our expense category, we budgeted $195.31 for our chiropractor, $82.99 for YouTube TV, $55.62 for our home alarm, $37.55 for our med subscriptions, $24.99 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $15.25 for YouTube Premium, and $11.98 for Google YouTube. That came up to a total of $439.88. Budget $590 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $25 for our extra backup funds, $60 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,145. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,601.87 minus the expenses of $439.88, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the extra backup money of $25, minus Navy Federal of $60, and minus our extra backup money of $20, that leave a remainder of $16.99. So fam, that is how we ended our week, and we are starting anew. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, fam.